there, my name is Gara and today I'm going to teach you how to make this. Let's get on. Now I'm going to tell you the thing that you will need. Now first thing first, you are going to need a paper. And then you are going to need a scissor. Then you are going to need a pencil. Then you're going to need a Sharpie. A black Sharpie. And then we need the color blue, red, and dark blue. Now, for the first step, I'm gonna take out my paper. I'm gonna take out my paper and my scissor. But then I'm gonna quickly cut it into this. A square. And now we don't really need these materials. And then we are going to use the Sharpie to make a heart. Now after when you're done by making your heart, you're going to use this and make something like this. Then we are going to get started off with, then we're going to have our pencil and our Sharpie together. Now first, somewhere over here, we are going to use a pencil to make a tiny circle. Not too big, just small, but not very small. Then we color inside of it. Okay. And then our next step is to use the pencil. And then we are going to make these two circles. Then we're going to use the color blue. And we are going to circle these two. Now let's get started with our other step. Now we are going to use the color very gently. We are going to make sure that we get into none of our details that we've already made through. We don't want to get it into red. Now we need to be very gentle. And there you go. Then the whole full outline is red. Over inside the heart, it's red. Then we are going to use dark blue. And then we are going to color. Then for the background, we are going to use dark blue for our background. But now we are done. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this YouTube video, and I will see you next time.